In this tutorial, we're going to see how to avoid Ethereum gas fees on Uniswap. In this video, we're going to see how to avoid Ethereum gas fees on Uniswap. Choose a less congested time. Gas prices fluctuate based on network activity. Best times are usually late at night or weekends. Use a Layer 2 network. Layer 2 chains offer cheaper and faster transactions like Arbitrum, Optimism, Base, or Polygon. You can also adjust gas fees manually. If your wallet supports, you can manually set gas prices. Lowering the gas too much can cause stuck or failed transactions. Use a standard or low preset if you're not in a hurry. Also, batch transactions or use gas-optimized dApps, or use wallets that support gas tokens or discount.